In this subject, we're going to talk about how to check if your emails are properly going to the email list without using your own Gmail. So you go
Oh,
to Google and you type in temporary email and you hit enter, and you would get all these temporary email services. Okay, open any of them, any of the first five. Okay, let's just open this one, the first one. So this is the email, so I'll just copy this email,
I
and
use this.
uh, let's open your landing page here. So is this landing page connected to your email sequence? Snow for you is connected to your email sequence.
Yes, I think yes.
Great. So
That
let's quickly check it.
yes,
Would
yes.
you like to clean your teeth from the? So let's go back. Do you like to go to the do you like going to the dentist? Nobody wants to go. Would you like to clean your teeth from the comfort of your own home? Yes. Transform your home today. So the person puts his email here and he puts his first name here. 100% secure. We never share your email. All good, all good. And he clicks clean, get your teeth cleaning kit today. Please check your email address in order to confirm your subscription. Thanks. Okay, so you've not added the redirect URL, or possibly the redirect URL has been added, but because this is not the country where it's opening up, because the link is firing up properly. So pretty much let's go to the emails now. Now here you would be able to see if the email is coming up. They also provide an inbox. This is a
Yes.
temporary inbox, but I don't see the email has been fired until now. Let's refresh.
Look, I get my email after maybe half an hour or not
Half an
not right.
hour. So
It's take,
welcome to Snow White Teeth 0 days. This says after subscribe.
but it's took time. I don't know why. Don't get it right away.
No worries, no worries. This is something that we have to check. The
Mm-hmm.
testing is the most important thing before we put things live. That's why we are taking so much time before we can move forward. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's go to your mailing box list. So, but this is how you check your emails. Okay, you can check multiple emails by going to the temporary email service. So this was the subject on how to check if your emails are properly working or not. So in this case, we observed that the email has not been fired up yet, so we still need to do some settings, and we will just check that in the next subject.